Hey guys, so the plan today is finishing up this corner. I've finished this backside where it curves around. We just need to sand it down and keep bonding behind there. And we did notice a rust spot on the other side, not nearly as bad, but we're just starting to fiberglass that now. So we're hoping to have that done in the next couple hours. But that's our plan for today, is get that all done and we'll start wrapping.
The thumbnail. Alright guys, so we are filling it up with the coolant right now, the waterless coolant. So we had to blow out the system. Yeah, Eric, we blowed out the system. Stop asking. So we've already done one bottle. We've got 2 more to go. Alright, so we just finished wrapping the front quarter panel. That sucked. All of these curves were really hard to get in, but we did it, so it's done. Yeah, the Bondo left a couple little bubble holes, but we're gonna cover up a lot of them with the fender flare. So it'll be like that. But the color's good, everything looks good. We're happy about it.
Ish.
Now to move on to the rest of the car. I was gonna say like one part, but we gotta do the rest of it.
Hey guys, just thought I'd show you. So this is the new light and these are the old lights. Pretty substantial difference. And we even replaced the driver's side headlight here, and this was the one that was in there, so a little bit better, but both still the crappy lights. So just switching them out for these bad boys. Got the other one in, had to custom make the thing that screws behind it so it stays in there. So we'll have to do that again, and I'll show you guys that in a second. The attachment that goes behind the light and screws onto it. So it does fit over the back of these, and that's how it screws into the back of the light. But unfortunately on the new ones, that they're a little bit bigger, they can't go this way or on this way, especially with the wire here. So on the other side, we cut out a couple of these notches here and shaved down a couple of them so that it fits in, and I will show you guys what we did there once I cut this out. Gotten this on. It's a little bit looser than the other one. One of the tabs that's supposed to be left on broke off. The plastic's a little bit brittle. I mean, it's the original plastic, so really old, but it should keep it secure enough. So we'll install that now here, and just kind of wiggle your way through and find the opening right there, if you guys can see that. My hand's just a bit stuck. There we go. Okay, so it's in there, if you guys can see that. Focus. There we go. So now that's nice and secure. So now we just attach the OEM plug into the plug that it came with, and I'll get back to you once it's in. So that, if you can see that right there, is now in. So we'll do the test here. Alright, both lights still work, thank heavens. It doesn't look like this one's on. But this one I can hear. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it lit up, and you can hear the fan on the back of it kind of spooling up. Maybe the connection is bad. All right, guys, so I got it working. I'm sure you can't tell, but these are lit up now. This one's a little bit louder than the other one, but I don't know, not much to complain about, just a little whirling sound. But they're both working. The original lights were so bad. If we had a picture, we'd show you, but I mean, you can tell these are pretty crappy. So replaced with the LED lights, just like on the 4Runner here, Stella, almost the same exact ones, just different attachments. But they work really well on the 4Runner, so we're really excited to see them in the Z. So now I'm going to install the new horns. So as you can see here, the horn is pretty bad, and even more rusty over on this side. So, you know, getting some new ones will be nice. So the horn is pretty embarrassing. So we just got, please don't fall, these just off Amazon like usual. But these will be so much better. Hopefully they won't sound as sissy as the ones that are on it right now. So we're gonna get that installed and we'll show you in the footage. Alright guys, so the time lapse did not work, but I will show you here. I did get them installed. So here are the new ones. Looking much better. I mean, just compare those things. Look at that. What a major difference. So it's looking pretty good. There's the one over here. So looking much better. And we'll get back to you later.